Welcome to this session here. The market is about to open. We will open in about 30 seconds. So getting ready to trade the Nasdaq today. This is the broker I use for this live account. It's amazing, this broker. The spreads is extremely low. We don't have any news today. We have nothing that can really drive the market either lower or really up. So let's see where we're gonna go. We are about to open now. So the market is open right now. Let's see. So DAX went not below the 900 level, and that's why I closed it. As you know, that was the morning session where we made some money. Let's see here. It looks like Nasdaq is going to come back, and I'll be ready to take a long position for Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks super strong. I'd like to take a long position on the Nasdaq and have a stop loss at 300. So I'm preparing myself for a long position back to 450. I know there's some great support so far. So around 330 I'll go for a long, and then I'll have a stop loss around 300. Again, they could dump the market, and I have to respect that. So that's also what I'm waiting for. Then I will go short, but keeping it super simple today. I'll short it below 300, and I'll go long here above 300. We're currently trading above 300, so I'm preparing a quick long position here. So I'll go long here. It's a quick setup. It might not work. It looks like it's going to be a quick scalp. Let's see here. Yeah, I just exit here at 50. It's currently trading with below 50. Let's see here. Yeah, so that's just the start here. No trades so far. So no trades, really. Let's see here. I would like to take a long position. Stop loss 20 points and then hold it back to 450. If we're gonna break below 329, we might gonna get down to 300. So be aware of that. Have that risk in mind, please. It could be a quick scalp. It could also sell off now. We don't know. Let's see. I'll go in for another long position here. It's currently trading. Let's exit again here at 51. So still waiting. I just exit very quick. I know you might not be able to catch these moves I take, and that's fine, but it's not really risky. So you could just go in while I'm going in if you really want to, and just hold it. I think it's gonna go up. Let's see here. This looks interesting. Break above 360. I'll go for a long back to 450 or back to 500. So break above here long, else I'm just gonna go short. If we break below 300, it looks like it could be a good long setup here. The market is pretty strong on a shorter time frame, but again, it's not really risky. We went long a couple of times and it's just been trading higher only, so it's not really that risky. It's been trading. We went long a couple of times here, and It's just been going up since, so it's a low risk setup because there's no really news that could drive the market down. So we're just gonna trade on only candlesticks here and just focus on momentum, focus on being in and out quick, make some good money and walk away. It looks like we could potentially go for a long here if we're holding. So stand by for a long position. Let's see here. So DAX is also holding. That's amazing. $86. So DAX has actually managed to push higher. I'll take a short on DAX if you break below 59. If we start selling off on Nasdaq, I could take a short. I'll do a quick long position here. It's very risky, so just have the risk in mind. It might sell off and I might lose 20 points here, okay? So I just went for a quick long here. Let's see if it's gonna hold or if this is gonna sell off. It might not work, okay? Looks like it's gonna sell off, but let's see. I'll just exit here for break even at 42 or 38. As you can see, 39, 40. I just exit that one. I'm not super sure. And that's why I exit for break even. I want to wait to see if it's really going to break below or if this is going to start selling off. I know I take many trades, and if that's not working for you, you're welcome to the link below here in that video. Once it's finished and I've uploaded to YouTube, the link below, you could copy my trades for free. Shadow my trades, mirror my trades, so you do nothing. You just automatically take the same trades as me. It have risk, of course, but every trade I take, it's in there, and then it's a performance fee. So it's no upfront fee, no subscription. It's just performance. Okay. If you do not want to take 10, 20, 30 trades, or you don't want to scalp and you cannot manage to get in and out, that's fine. I respect that. Then copy trading, mirror my trades is something for you. You need to have long-term perspective, so at least a year or two. And my goal is to outperform the S&P 500 2 to 3 times. Let's see here. It's actually managed to hold. I'm thinking about going for a quick long here. I'm buying it here at 37, 35. Let's see here if it's gonna turn around. I'll exit here again. It's tricky today. Again, it's not really risky for me. So it's a very low risk day for me with very not really A+ setups. But again, you see once I get in at 32 or 37, it goes to 350. So it's not really risky. I mean, it's not really selling off, it's not really doing anything, but once we get above long, once we get below short. So it could be a pretty good day for me, pretty safe day. If we're gonna break below short, else if we break above here, long. Okay. So this is the opening range breakout. This is the lows, this is the highs for this 15-minute candle. If we break below short, if we break above, looks like it's gonna come short here. I'm gonna go for a quick short to see if there's gonna come some push here. Nope, no push. I'll just exit that one here. Let's see. I'm gonna re-enter short here to see if there's gonna come a push. Nope, doesn't look like it's gonna come. I'll exit that one here if there's not coming a push. Moving my stop loss up here to 61. That wasn't the best trade. Getting a fake out here. Moving stop loss to 83. I'm adding to this short position here. Let's see if it's gonna sell off. I'm just gonna exit. It's not really working out for me. Still short for 25 contracts. I'm currently down 700. I thought it would sell below. It did not. It did not close below. It just went down to take the liquidity here. Let's see here. It could really push today. It could really be a day where the market is going to push a lot because they have the opportunity to really push it and really take the market to highs of maybe 750 or even 22,000. So it could be a long day. Let's see here. Still short, nothing have changed. Looks like it should pump. Looks very strong. So doing nothing, just a quick short position here. Let's see if it's gonna come back to 300 or if it's just gonna push. There's no opening range breakout. If we might break above now, and that's obviously trigger a long position. Interesting. Still holding short. Predicting this is going to sell off, but let's see. I'm currently down 400. Still short. To me, it looks weak, but I could be wrong. I'll exit this one now here for some. Okay, I managed to get out for a loss. It is what it is. $82 loss. It didn't really break below. It didn't really close below. There's no opening breakout or break below, break above. It was a fake out, so I cut losses as 26. So $82, nothing really working out so far. Still waiting for it to sell off and for it to break above. So because I'm trading with a 50% position, and I've just been scalping back and forth here, as you could see, there was no really risk for me. So this opening session for the past 11 minutes, trading with you, I've just been making $200, something like that. Same in the morning, no progress. So 400 today, 0.4%, 0.5%. So no risk, no losses really, just slow days. Still making good money, but it's just slow. As you can see, it's not really risky. Remember to size down. Again, this is a 100K account, so do not trade. Don't over leverage, okay? I might do a 50% position. I have 50 contracts, but let's see here. Could also consider, it looks like it's a long. It might come back to here now. Could consider doing a long position. I was too late for that. It could potentially sell off now. So let's see. DAX is keep pushing. Great investment I made there. No progress at all. Break above, long, break below, short, just waiting for a confirmation, and then I will go in that direction and make some good money here. This looks like it's short to me, to be honest. Still looks like a short. I'm gonna go in for a quick short here to see if this is gonna sell off. It could also push now. Looks like it's gonna push. Let's see. I'll exit this one here. Yeah, it's very tricky. It's not really doing anything. I'm just waiting for it to break below so we can make some good money here. So again, you see it's not risky. I go short there. I'm afraid it's going to go up here. My stop loss is very tight. And I say exit and it's selling off 15, 20 points after. I mean, if you're losing today, you're doing something wrong. I mean, it's not really risky and we're just taking 5, 2, 5, 10, 20 points. It's not really like, you're just going to exit once you're in profit. Like, it's not really risky between here. Like, going short here is risky. Going long here is risky. Because there's a break below, a break above, but trading here is like whatever. So now we love to take trades and hold them. So I'm gonna get ready for holding a setup. It could really sell off now, but let's see. Could be a potential good short opportunity. I'll go for another light short position again here. Might just take 10 points. Let's see. I'll exit that one here at 30. It's not really doing anything. It's not really doing anything. Still managed to make 400 this session here. And if you're down on these things and you not manage to enter or exit, you just hold it. It's not gonna be risky. I just told you that 5 times. I think I told you this 10 times that I go short, I have a stop loss, you just hold it. There's no reason that you keep exit you shorts if we short. For losses, like you need to make more money than me because I am trading in the direction. So if I say short and I go short and I close it here and it goes back, you don't exit here. You just have your same stop loss, you have your same take profit, and you either exit with take profit or you just exit once you're in good profit and you're happy. You don't just click buy and sell and exit and lose money. I told you there's no risk trading between here. We're gonna make money no matter what. Yeah, I'm not gonna lose doing this. Looks like it's gonna sell off actually, but I actually managed to take this trade on the copy trading account, made 3% there. Told you it's not really risky, but DAX is doing absolutely nothing. I think it's a fake out on Nasdaq. I think it's a fake out, but I'm gonna go for a short anyway. Going for a short here at 300. It might be a fake out, so I might lose this one here. Let's see. I'll exit this one here. Yeah, I think the risk is not there for me today. You're welcome to hold your shorts. Again, I told you to go short here and you're freaking out and you're losing because it's not really risky. I mean, you go short here, well, what's gonna happen? You think it's gonna go to a 900? No, it's not. It's just gonna sell off, or it's gonna come right back. So long above, short below. So I'm gonna go short now. This is a new range. I think it's gonna come back. So just have that risk in mind. I think it's gonna come back now. Just be careful. If it's gonna break below here short, DAX also looks weak, but you can see the trend here for DAX. It's really pointing up, higher lows, higher highs. So break below 24,017 short. Here, I don't know if I want to short it. It looks more like a long, and we're holding at 300. I'm probably going to take a long position on the Nasdaq. I think it's a fake out. It looks like they're trying to push it back, but they could really also dump it today. So I really have to focus on the risk. I think I'm going to take a short again here and then have a stop loss. Get ready for a short position. Let's see if we're going to push to 325 and then I'll go short. So get ready for short. I know it could turn around, but this could also be the day where things is just selling off, and so just have that risk. Okay, I'm gonna go for a short here. Shorting it here at 98. Let's see here. Not super sure. I just exit that one here. To be honest, I'm not super sure about this market. I'm sorry. So yeah, as I told you, I went short at 98 and it just went to 90. It's not really risky, but I'm not super sure if this is gonna really sell off. I might size down and hold a short. Wall Street is not really doing anything. If it breaks above 676, it might come back to the EMA. I'm gonna go short here again. Shorting it here, very risky. Let's see if we can have a break below. Nope. Yeah, it's gonna go up. Just moving a stop loss so I don't get stopped out immediately. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not really there. It looks like it's gonna be a long day today. We keep holding. I think it's gonna push up now. Looks very strong. Looks like it's gonna be a long day today. There's no progress on the selling side. It's just pointing up. I think I'm moving my stop loss to 29. I'll add to this short here again here. Let's see here. Nah, I'm not super sure. I just exit the ones I just opened. I think it's gonna push now. Let's see. Okay, I got stopped out here. Yeah, it's a long day. Wow. Shorting it again here. Currently trading at 28. Let's see here if it's gonna turn around. When Nasdaq chooses to push, it's gonna push. So things is also pointing up here. It's really rallying. It's a classic. This is a very good classic Nasdaq. Choose to go up, it's gonna continue to go up. Everyone's go short here, but it's not really close below. I could consider moving my stop loss to highs of 84. I'm gonna do that. Could still sell off. Let's see here. Big push back to the EMA. What a big push. Just keep continuing. Nasdaq have other plans today. I think it could potentially go to 450, and then it could potentially turn around back to 21,000. I just have a feeling of that the market could really sell off, but I could also be completely wrong about this move here. But I just lost a decent amount on my live account, but also on this account here, shorting the market. Getting ready to short this again here. I'm gonna short Nasdaq again here. Let's see here if it's gonna sell off. So things is selling off for Wall Street. Let's see if things is also selling off for S&P 500. It's a little bit tricky, yeah. Let's see. Still short. Just have to sell off now if I have to be in. I'll exit this one here for 40, the ones I just opened. So you could exit your short now if you want. The ones we just opened, the second one, I'm still in for 50%, like 40%. Looks like it's gonna sell off, but let's see here. Wall Street is holding quite good. S&P 500 also holds good. Looks like a short to me, to be honest. Today it actually looks like a short, but things is just pushing for DAX. What about UK? Yeah, it just looks very strong today. Moving stop loss to 67. Just waiting for this to sell off and come back to 200. Still short, nothing have changed. Still short, guys, nothing have changed. Yes, I'm still short. Took the same trade on a copy trading account. Still short, nothing have changed. So things looks weak for the Nasdaq and for Wall Street, and also for US 500. It pointing down. I think I'm gonna target 21,000 today. So yeah, target 21,000. I think it's gonna come back to here. It's just a matter of time. 21,250. It's gonna break below that with a guarantee. Yes, I'm still short. Like, what do you mean? Let's see if it's gonna sell off or if it's just gonna be tricky today. It could also push all the way back. Have a stop loss in place. I'm waiting for this one here to sell off and come back to 250. Yes, I'm short. Let's see here. I'm gonna exit this one here for 13. Why? I'm just gonna take some profit. I'm still down 500. Thinking about taking another short position here. So just exit that one for 400. I'll think about taking another short position here. It could really stop here, but let's see. Yeah, I knew that. That's why I exit my position. But I'll get back short here. If we break above 25, I'll probably stop trading for today and just call it. So in this session here, I will go over all the trades, but I'm probably down 200, so around break even today total. On the copy trading account, where I also have my live account, I think I'm up 1% or something like that. I use a little bit lower size there. It's not really, that's also why I closed it. It's not really breaking below the 300 and we above after. But we have no news coming in. Tesla, I think Tesla is gonna go up. This is also selling off. Selling off. Do we have other stocks that's like actually selling off? What do we have more? AMD, Google sells off a little bit. Microsoft sells off. MicroStrategy sells off. What about Amazon? Sells off. Meta. Yeah, what about Apple? It should come down. I'm gonna go back short here again. I'm in for a short position here. Let's see if it's gonna come now or if it's just gonna push right back. Have a stop loss at 33. If this is not gonna sell off, then it's very weird. But it could actually turn around here. Keep getting these fake outs. It's not really my day. I still think it's gonna sell below 300 back to 250, so I'm pretty confident it's gonna sell below 300, and that's also why I shorted, but right now it's not really working. Come back to 300 and then you're just pushing right back again. This could act as a new higher low and it could come to 450. Moving my stop loss just so I don't get a fake out around these 330, 335. So great support at 300 for the market, but we don't really have the confirmation like which stocks is actually rising today. Do we have any stocks that are like even rising? Like, but Meta is also down. This is where people get stopped out. Still short. I'm gonna target 21,000. Okay, I'm gonna stop the stream here. I'm holding this setup here for now, where I'm target 21,000. I have a stop loss in place at 348. If this is gonna push in the next 2 seconds, then I might exit. If not, I'm just gonna hold it. It's very tricky. To me, it looks weird, weak. But this could really push, but we don't know yet. Which stock is actually up today? Like, there's nothing that's really up. So why is the market not down more? It's actually very weird that we're not down more. All stocks I've been looking at is down 1-2%. So why is Nasdaq only down 0.2%? 5%. It should sell off more. No progress. That's not good for the short position here. They could take liquidity. I've moved my stop loss on this one here. I think I'm gonna move it to, I'm actually not super sure. I don't know if I should move it. I think I'm just gonna keep it. I was expecting a bigger push, but we did not got it. And now it's just pointing up on a shorter time frame. No further progress. Have a feeling of this is holding very strong and this is gonna come back. Looks like it's gonna come back to maybe 400. Why should it not come back to 400? We're always gonna make money going long and always losing money going short. It looks like a long day. I'll risk a little bit more than I should. I moved my stop loss to 84. Why? Because I think this is gonna come down. And I don't want to get stopped out here and stopped out there and stopped out here. I think it could push really. Wall Street is also weak. Lower highs, lower lows. This is a weak sign. We went below. We didn't manage to close below, but we went below. Same for S&P 500. It's not really risky for me today, because I'm gonna target making 300 points at least. So I'll go after making 300 points here. Still short, waiting for it to sell off so we can make some good money here. What the fuck, man? Gonna move my stop loss to break even instead of exit this one here. I'm just gonna move it down. I was up in a good profit and now it's just going against me again. Wow. Moving stop loss to 32. I'm waiting for this to sell off so I could move my stop loss down to break even and let this run back to 21,000. So I'm gonna make on this one here, I think, realistic if it's gonna work out. I think I'm gonna make at least $7,000, $8,000. I'm targeting a pretty big day here, but again, it's not really working out for me. I'll just exit here for 300. So I exit the short. Why did I exit my short? Because there's no progress and this is so annoying and this is taking like 40 minutes and I've been making no money. I didn't have lost anything. I didn't have made really. I can upload all my trades so you can see them. The first trade I made 72, the next trade I made 145, the next trade I made 12.5, the next I made 65, the next I made 2.5, the next I made 57, the next I lost 80, then I made 60, then I made 77, then I made 50, then I made 50, then I lost 40, then I lost 1,000, and then I won 200 and 400 and 130. So yeah, not really a little bit down. But I really want to short this market here. But it's just holding at 300. So I'm about to short it again here. But again, we shouldn't really be trading. This is like, no, I'm gonna stick to my principles. I'm gonna follow my rules, follow my system. That's why I'm here today. I'm not gonna trade more now, and I'm gonna stop. This is